Hi guys, if you've ever deleted an app or game and couldn't find it again, this video is going to help you fix that in seconds. I'll show you how to access your full Google Play Store history and reinstall anything you've removed the easy way. Step 1. Open Google Play Store. Start by opening the Google Play Store. Also, make sure you are signed in with the same Google account you used before installing those apps. Step 2. Open your profile tab on your profile icon in the right corner. This will open your Google account menu where all Play Store options are available. Step 3. Go to Manage Apps and Device. Now tap on Manage Apps and Device. After that, switch to the Manage tab. Here you will see all currently installed apps on your device. Step 4. Change the filter option. At the top, you will see a filter option. Tap it and select Not Installed. This is the important step because it shows every app and game you have downloaded before but removed later. Step 5. Browse your app history. Now scroll through the list. You will see your full app history linked to your Google account. This makes it easy to find any deleted app or game you thought was lost. Step 6. Reinstall instantly. When you find the app or game if you need, just tap on it and hit install. The app will install again and return to your phone in a few moments. And that's how you can bring back your deleted apps in just a few taps. Nothing complicated, just a hidden Play Store feature most people miss. Thanks for watching. See you soon.